Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, and it doesn't really matter where, just open it, and if you've got it on the screen, then we have to focus on this option bar and enter the settings. If you cannot find the settings here, no worries, tap on the three dots icon and they should appear right here. You can always tap on it and hold it and drag it to this panel to have much faster access to it, of course. But so let's enter the settings. Now we have to tap on the languages, and as you can see, here we've got the list of currently added languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on add keyboard, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. And all we have to do right now is to simply find the language we would like to set and tap on it. And let me pick, let's say, graphical language in order to show you the actual difference. So I will pick Assyrian. Let's tap on it. Sometimes you will also be able to pick the region. So the same situation, just tap on it. Also, sometimes you will have plenty of keyboard options to choose. Right now I've got only one, but if you want to, and if the language you've chosen will have those options, you can set 2 or 3 different languages, keyboards, sorry. So let's tap on done if you're ready, and as you can see, it immediately appears on this list. So we can go back to the keyboard, let's say, in order to check. And here we've got 2 differences. I did not mention them at the very beginning of this video, and probably that's why you did not catch the difference, but let me show you. The first difference is the spacebar. So right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which is, let's say, a language key. It will allow us to simply change the language. So right now I am typing English freely, but after tapping on the language key, I can easily switch to the Assyrian one. Let's tap on it again, and the same situation. So this is how to add new language to a keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because usually you do not need 2 or 3 different languages added. So simply go back to the settings and the languages, and here all we have to do is to simply tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we can mark the language we would like to remove, and I will pick Assyrian and tap on this trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, so we've got the state which was at the very beginning, and here we've got empty spacebar, and we cannot see the language key, which means that we just successfully removed it. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.